Hello guys, so I have you come across Spare Wallet on Telegram before? Spare Wallet is one of the best wallets you can ever use on Telegram mini app. So let me show you. Right now, Spare Wallet is giving out so many bonuses. Okay, so what you do now, if you enter just use the link below this video, to access Spare Wallet on Telegram mini apps. Okay, now once you access it, you come here, you will see that they have different kind of bonus that they are offering. First is a quest. You have to complete some certain quest to earn real cash. You understand? So you can see here now, we have the one that is on now. Okay, so how to claim? Just open your Spare Wallet, find your magic box, claim your Solana reward. So they are giving out this reward in Solana, in Solo. So for you to participate, use the link on this video, under this video you are watching now. Click on this link, then I'm going to show you how to complete some quest right now. So let's say you have accessed Solana and you have accessed Spare Wallet. Now you have landed on your Spare Wallet. Okay, this is the home. Okay, Spare Wallet, this is the home. Okay, so the first thing is for you to start farming. Okay, your main goal is, you see, to rank high in this first instance. So when you are tapping on this, you see this hour. For example, if I tap on it, you see 20%, I tap on 40%. Once this thing circulates 100%, okay, you are ranking here. If you look at the ranking at top left hand side here, once I'm clicking on this, and once it circulates completely, you see that my rank will reduce. So my first aim is to reduce my rank until maybe my rank become the one of the best rank or the first rank. Okay, so the more you click on this, the more your rank goes high, the more the number reduces. You see, I'm ranking 2,296,921st. So take for example, if this rank circulate, if I'm clicking on this now, you can see my rank is reducing. So my aim is to rank lower, okay, so that will actually be the number one in the rank. Okay, let's go ahead. Now we have quest. Okay, we have quest. Okay, now if you click on the second tab here, you see quest. Okay, so all you have to do is to come and complete some of these quests here. When you complete them, you stand a chance of earning. Okay, so complete mission. Take for example this particular one here now, complete mission. Click on it. I've already started completing this mission here. So these ones involve posting, reposting, commenting. Okay, now you can see we also have other missions that you can win, you can earn money from. Take for example, this one say win up to $40, create a Spare Wallet video and share on TikTok. So these are other easy ways, other avenue you can be able to make money. Now we have up to 1,500 by weekly price. This is invite 10 friends to win a share of $1,500. Okay, so you can also take up that quest. Okay, so you see there are so many quests here you can complete to make money actually on Spare Wallet. So once you have completed one, you move to the next. Okay, let me also show you this one. Okay, so this one says 39,000 XNet giveaway. So complete mission. If you click on complete mission, you start completing the mission as well. So these ones I've completed it halfway and I'm about to complete all of them. Even this video I'm making now is because I want to complete this particular one, create a Spare Wallet video and share on TikTok. Okay, so I advise you to do the same. Spare Wallet is one of the best wallet you can use on Telegram. Okay, you can now come and create your wallet itself. If you click on this place, now I've already created my own wallet. Now you can use Spare Wallet to send, receive and earn. Okay, so on Solana, okay, Solana, that you can see that the Solo is increasing rapidly. Solo coin is increasing rapidly right now. So you can also earn NFT. Okay, this side you can is a NFT marketplace. So you can also engage in this marketplace, buy or sell NFT. Okay, so this guy, don't waste time, because you can see this this quest. Go and start completing it so that you can be able to also win any of this or this of this. Okay, so let's end this video here, but once again, go and join Spare Wallet on Telegram and start completing.